Up next is probably the most challenging part to make, and that is our air scoop. And the air scoop goes under the front here, with this end towards the front and this end in the back. And so you'll see with the diagram here, it goes down a little further here and then comes up there. Okay, so when I start this one out, I actually look at this and I try to make a square right off the bat. That's the first thing I want to do, is get my square done, and then I'll add in this second part over here. So the first thing I will do is I will measure down about 1 centimeter, make my 2 marks again. So I have a straight line. And on this one, it needs to be 75 across. So I'm just going to start at 0, end at 75. As long as there's a line that's that long, that's all that matters. But I'll make a little line going up so I know where the 75 is and where the 0 is. Then, so I just drew my bottom here from here to here, my 75. Now the top is also going to be 75. So I'm going to measure down 75, make a mark, measure down 75, make a mark, and just draw a line going across. As long as you want it, actually. It doesn't really matter if it's exactly, because eventually you're going to have to extend it anyhow. So I'm just going to draw a line that's definitely long enough. And now I'm ready to just draw a straight line going down. And so to help me make that straight line, I'm going to measure from the end to here. And that is about 9. So I'll make my mark there. Maybe 9.1. Make my other mark here at 9.1. Now I'm just going to connect those two together, those 2 marks. And this is actually a dashed line, so I'm going to make it dashed because that's where I'm going to fold. And then on this side, it looks like it is in about 16. So I'm going to measure in about 16 here, make another mark, and then make my dash line going down. I'm going to go ahead and score those right away because those need to be folded. Do the same on the other side. And now I need to extend my piece that I'm going to bend up. So it's going to be 3 millimeters on each side this way and 9 millimeters on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and measure this one first. So put that at 9 and then make a mark at 0. That's my bottom there. And this one I'll just put at 9, so I need to go to 9.9, make my mark there. So that's how long the bottom needs to be. And then here I'm going to extend this 3 millimeters. So it's not a lot. Make sure I got everything straight. Go out to 0. And do the same over here. I need to go out 3. So again, it's not a lot, just a little extension there. And now I can connect this end to that end. And do the same over here. This end to that end. And now I'm ready to cut it out and fold it. Now I can fold my two pieces over. Got that one there. Got this one here. And actually, I did not do a very good job here. I think this one's a little smaller than the other one. But we'll see when I put it together how it works. I might need to rebend this one. I think I got too far over from my dotted lines. But that is how you make your air scoop.